Hello students, in the colligative properties first we have studied relative lowering in vapor pressure. Now listen to the explanation of the next colligative property, that is elevation in boiling point. Now the next colligative property we are going to study today is the elevation in boiling point. Elevation in the boiling point. So elevation word is I think clear to everybody, that is increase in the boiling point. Okay. So this is elevation in the boiling point. So first understand what is boiling point. What do you mean by the boiling point? So boiling point क्या होता है कि कभी भी जब कोई लिक्विड जो होता है वो उबलने लगता है, मतलब बॉईल होने लगता है. So actually how it is defined, first listen to the definition. It is the temperature. बिल्कुल boiling मतलब हम उसे गर्म कर रहे हैं लिक्विड को. So it is the temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure. जैसे कि हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में वातावरण में गैसेस हैं, तो दैट गैसेस ऑल्सो एक्सर्ट्स प्रेशर. वो जो वातावरण में गैसेस होती है वो भी प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करती हैं और उस प्रेशर को हम कहते हैं एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. तो जब भी हम किसी लिक्विड को, फॉर एग्जांपल इस लिक्विड को हम गर्म कर रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे उसको हीट करते जाएंगे तो मॉलिक्यूल्स जो सरफेस पे प्रेजेंट है वो कन्वर्ट होते जाएंगे वेपर्स में, वो कन्वर्ट होंगे वेपर्स में. तो ये जो वेपर्स हैं वो अपना एक प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, वो अपना एक प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करते हैं. और जब ये प्रेशर बाहर के वातावरण के प्रेशर के बराबर हो जाता है तब ये लिक्विड क्या होता है, उबलने लगता है, मतलब बॉईल होने लगता है. सो लेट्स लिसन इन द इंग्लिश आल्सो. व्हेन द प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट वेपर्स, when the pressure of the solvent vapors on heating becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure, अगर एटमॉस्फेयर में जितना प्रेशर है becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure, then this liquid starts boiling. Okay, fine. So now listen to the definition once again. It is the temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure, and if the atmospheric pressure is 1, अगर मेरा एटमॉस्फेयर का प्रेशर कितना है, 1 है, तो ये जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होता है उसको मैं कहूंगी नॉर्मल बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. तो मैं इस प्रेशर को, इस बॉइलिंग पॉइंट को कहूंगी नॉर्मल बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. कब मैं नॉर्मल बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इसको कहूंगी, जब इसका एटमॉस्फेयर का प्रेशर भी कितना होगा, 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर होगा. ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम कंसीडरिंग दिस वाटर, ये जो प्योर सॉल्वेंट है मैंने वाटर कंसीडर किया हुआ है और एटमॉस्फेयर का प्रेशर मैं मानकर चल रही हूँ कितना है, 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर है इसका. ठीक है. तो ये मैंने इसको हीट किया और हीट करने के बाद इसका जो टेम्परेचर था जिस पर ये बॉईल होने लगा, यू नो द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द वाटर्स बॉइलिंग इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो इट विल बॉईल एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एंड एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस व्हाट विल हैपन, द प्रेशर ऑफ द वेपर्स बिकम्स इक्वल टू द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. दिस इज ओके, आई थिंक क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी व्हाट इज बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. बट if in the same solvent, what I am going to add, if in the same solvent if I am going to add solute, जैसे कि हम सारे एग्जांपल्स देखते हुए आ रहे हैं, मैंने solute इसमें डाला and this solute it is of non volatile nature, so this has become what now, solution. अब ये क्या बन चुका है, solvent से solution बन चुका है, because इसमें मैंने solute ऐड कर दिया है और ये solute कैसा है, non volatile है. So see on the surface molecules of the solvent, they will convert into vapors, but solute will not convert into vapors. क्यों? Because solute is non-volatile. इसमें उड़ने की कैपेसिटी नहीं है, वेपर में बदलने की कैपेसिटी नहीं है. So सिर्फ सॉल्वेंट के वेपर्स ही किस कन्वर्ट होंगे, सिर्फ सॉल्वेंट के मॉलिक्यूल्स ही वेपर्स में कन्वर्ट होंगे, ठीक है। सो it is understood that the vapor pressure of this solution is less than the vapor pressure of the solvent. इसका वेपर प्रेशर इससे कम होगा, मतलब इसके वेपर्स मुझे एटमॉस्फेयर के बराबर करने के लिए, इसके वेपर्स मुझे एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर के बराबर करने के लिए मुझे ज्यादा हीट करना पड़ेगा। Obviously, if the solution in which non-volatile solute is present, it means that this solution I have to heat at a more temperature as compared to the solvent in which all the molecules are of volatile nature, because in the solution some molecules are of non-volatile nature. So I think this is clear to all of you. Now we will see the graph, how the boiling point of this solution changes with the addition of non-volatile solute. So here is the graph. X-axis temperature is there, Y-axis vapor pressure is there, and this point, it is the point of the atmospheric pressure, and the value of the atmospheric pressure is 1. Atmospheric pressure is 1. Okay. So this first line AB, it is the graph for the solvent. It is the graph for the solvent, pure solvent. ठीक है. So now see, pure solvent, we can consider this as a simple water. So as we are increasing the temperature, we are moving in this direction. So here the zero value. So this side temperature increases. So as the temperature increases, solvent का curve देखिए ऐसे जा रहा है. As the solvent increases, vapor pressure also increases. मैं ऐसे जाते जा रही हूँ तो टेम्परेचर भी बढ़ते जा रहा है, वेपर प्रेशर भी बढ़ते जा रहा है. Is it fine? So what happened with the increase in the temperature, vapor pressure also increases, and at one point the pressure of the solvent, it becomes equals to atmospheric pressure. इस लाइन को टच कर लिया. It means that अगर मैं इसको नीचे देखूं यहाँ पर लाके टेम्परेचर कि किस टेम्परेचर पे ये 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर हो गया, it means it is very clear to everybody this is the boiling point of the solvent. क्यों? Because its pressure has become equals to 1 atmospheric pressure. So I can find out that this is the temperature, boiling point of the solvent. I think clear to everybody. This is the boiling point of the solvent, and it is represented by delta naught B. This is the boiling point of solvent. This is the boiling point of the solvent. ठीक है. Now the next, you see the line, CD line, C and D line. This line, it is the what? It is the line for the solution. It is the line of the solution. Which type of the solution? The solution in which non-volatile solute is present. So see the line of the solution also. As we are increasing the temperature, temperature is increased, vapor pressure also increase. Temperature here increase, vapor pressure also increase. And with the increase in the temperature at one particular temperature, it has become equal to the atmospheric pressure. The pressure of the solution, it has become equal to the atmospheric pressure, and this is the point. At this point, the pressure becomes equals to atmospheric pressure. So this is the temperature. Okay. This is the temperature, that is TB. So TB is what? TB is what? At which the pressure of the solution, it becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure, and this temperature is known as boiling point of solution. ये क्या है? Boiling point of solution है. So with the help of the graph also we have seen that if in the solution non-volatile solute is present, it means that yes, you can see temperature is increased. Which temperature? Boiling point is increased. So this was the temperature of the pure solvent. This is the boiling point of the solution. containing non-volatile solute, so value is more. Okay, so this is what colligative property. Elevation मतलब increase, elevation in boiling point. कब? When the solution is containing non-volatile solute. Now we can find out the difference between them. That is delta TB, मैंने denote किया है delta TB से, T naught B and TB के बीच में जो difference था, that is called elevation in boiling point. That is called increase in the temperature. Increase in the temperature. So I can write down delta TB equals to TB minus T naught B. Delta TB equals to T naught B, and this delta TB is elevation in the boiling point. Colligative property, elevation in the boiling point. So we have seen the graph how the boiling point of the solution containing non-volatile solute increases, है ना? And that is called elevation in the boiling point. And why it so happen? Because of the presence of non-volatile solute which will not convert into the vapor. So we have to heat that solution to a higher temperature, little bit more temperature, so that its vapor pressure becomes equals to the atmospheric pressure. Fine. So that increase in the temperature in the graph we have denoted with delta TB. So delta TB is called elevation in the boiling point. So what happened that how much increase in the temperature, how much boiling point of the solution is increased from its pure solvent, it depends upon how much decrease in the vapor pressure, कि कितना वेपर प्रेशर कम हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ नॉन वोलेटाइल सोल्यूट. क्योंकि जो वेपर प्रेशर कम कर रहा है वो किसके प्रोपोर्शनल है? इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द अमाउंट ऑफ नॉन वोलेटाइल सोल्यूट. सो elevation in the boiling point, that is delta TB, proportional to decrease in the pressure. Okay, and this decrease in the pressure is because of the presence of non-volatile solute. So delta TB, okay, delta TB is proportional to XB. It is proportional to XB, and XB is what? XB is the vapor pressure of non-volatile solute. So delta TB is proportional to XB. ठीक है? Is proportional to XB, and XB is the mole fraction of non-volatile solute. So delta TB proportionality sign is removed. So in place on removing proportionality sign, one constant, that is K, and into XB. Fine. So XB is the mole fraction of non-volatile solute. So we have already studied what is mole fraction. That is number of moles of the solute upon total number of moles of the component present in the solution. So as this solution is non-volatile in nature, so it is NB upon Na plus NB. What is NB? NB, it is the number of moles of the solute. And solute is already present in less amount in the solution, and that too divided by its molecular weight. So this value is very less. So being this value is very small, and for the simplification of the calculation we can neglect this term. Okay, fine. So what you will get? Delta TB, that is elevation in the boiling point, is equals to constant K NB upon Na. Okay, very simple. Then delta TB equals to K NB, that is weight in grams upon molecular weight. This is the weight of the solvent upon its molecular weight. ठीक है? So what we are writing now? Delta TB equals to K. What I have taken? WB. MB will go down, that is denominator. WA, and that MA will go on numerator. Okay, ठीक है? So in this way we have done it. So just see what is this weight in grams. ठीक है? Weight of the solute divided by its molecular weight, and this is the weight of the solvent. WA, it is the weight of the solvent. So if you are taking this weight of the solvent in kg, what I said, if you are taking the weight of the solvent in kg, then WB upon MB and weight of the solvent in kg, it is equals to what? It is equals to molality. ठीक है, molality, what is molality? It is defined as number of moles of the solute dissolved in per kg of the solvent. So in place of this, I can substitute small m. So this is what I have done here. Delta TB equals to K constant, and in place of this, I have written small m, that is molality into what? Molecular mass of the solvent. Okay, fine. So this is molality, K is constant, and Ma, molecular weight of solvent, is also constant as per the nature of the solvent. So in place of these two constant, I can write down Kb. Kb is one more constant. Okay. So delta TB equals to Kb into M. M is what? Molality. ठीक है. So if the molality of the solution, इस solution की अगर molality मानकर चलते हैं 1 है, तो what you will get in place of M, what you will write down 1, and you will get delta TB equals to M, it is already 1, and then delta TB you will get it is equals to Kb, and it is multiplied by 1. ठीक है, it is equals to Kb, and Kb it is a constant, and this constant is called elevation in the boiling point constant or bilioscopic constant. Listen carefully. Kb it is called elevation in the boiling point constant or bilioscopic constant. So how you will define Kb? It is very important. Can be asked in 1 mark question that what is Kb. So Kb, how we can define? Kb क्या है? Directly delta TB है, और delta TB क्या है? Elevation in the boiling point. So definition is very simple. Elevation in the boiling point temperature. किसके लिए? For 1 molar solution. अगर solution कैसा है? 1 molar solution है. और elevation in the boiling point for solution. Elevation in the boiling point है for solution containing 1 mole of solute. बात वही हुई, containing 1 mole of solute in 1 kg of the solvent. मतलब हमने indirectly molality की ही definition यहाँ पर लिख दी. ठीक है. अब यूनिट ऑफ Kb अगेन इम्पॉर्टेंट. यूनिट ऑफ Kb, अगर मैं Kb की यूनिट लिखने के लिए जाऊं यहाँ पे Kb का, तो ये टेम्परेचर है और ये मोलालिटी है. तो टेम्परेचर को मैं कैसे कैसे बता सकती हूँ? डिग्री अपॉन मोलालिटी, एक तरीका ये है. दूसरा डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड अपॉन एम. तीसरा केल्विन अपॉन एम, एंड थर्ड वन इज केल्विन केजी पर मोल. So this is what about the elevation in the boiling point. This is what? This is second colligative property. So next, in the next video, I will share depression in the freezing point. So this much in this video. Thank you.